I don't have a down payment. Can I still buy a home?
Yes, you can.
Listen up, because I'm about to blow your mind about what's actually possible when you have little to no money for a down payment. The answer may actually shock you, but yes, you can absolutely buy a home without a down payment. Hi there. I'm Ella Gurfinkel, Senior Loan Officer with 30 years of experience and over 2,000 families served. I specialize in helping people just like you find creative ways to achieve homeownership. Don't hit that like button yet. Wait. I want you to see the value I'm about to deliver. Let me tell you something that might surprise you. About 40% of my clients start out telling me they have no down payment. But guess what? Most of them end up buying a home anyway. Why do you think that is? Well, because there are actually 7 different ways to get your down payment that most people don't know about. Option number 1, down payment assistance programs. Every state has them, but nobody talks about them. In my state alone, there are over 20 different programs. And here is the kicker. Some of these programs will give you up to $25,000 that you never have to pay back. And yes, you heard that right. Option number 2, your 401k. Now, I'm not talking about cashing it out. That's a horrible idea. I'm talking about borrowing from it. And here is why it's brilliant. You are borrowing from yourself, paying yourself back with interest. And the payment doesn't even count against your debt to income ratio for the mortgage. Oh, miracle. Option number 3, gift funds. Did you know that on most loan programs, your entire down payment can come from a gift? And not just parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, uncles, even close friends. On some programs can give you the money. Option number 4, zero down payment loans. USDA and VA loans require absolutely no down payment. Zero. Just last week, I closed a USDA loan for a family buying a $350,000 house with zero down, and their payment? Less than what they were paying in rent. Option number 5, individual development accounts. These are like magical savings accounts where the government matches what you save. Let that sink in for a minute, please. You are putting in, for example, $5,000, and they might match it with another 5. That is free money, my friends, come on. And by the way, most of those IDAs actually match more than 1-to-1. Of course, there is a limit to how much money you can stick into an IDA, but regardless, when the match is a 1-to-1, a 2-to-1, or in some cases 3-to-1, you put in a couple of $1,000s and it freaking triples? Come on. Option number 6, seller concessions. In today's market, more sellers are willing to help with closing costs, which frees up your savings for the down payment. Another loan I just closed is where the seller paid $10,000 in closing costs. We freed up the money from the buyer's available cash to close to put it towards their down payment instead. Option number 7, first-time homebuyer programs. These often combine down payment assistance with special loan terms. And here's what most people don't know. You are considered a first-time home buyer if you haven't owned a home in the last 3 years. That's it.
Oh, wow. That's great.
But here is the most important thing you need to know. These options aren't one size fits all. Each has its own requirements for credit scores, income limits, and property location. And sometimes we can actually combine multiple options together. So let me give you another very real example. Just last week, I had a client using a combination of gift funds from grandma, a down payment assistance program, and seller concessions. They bought a $400,000 home and only needed $1,500 of their own money. The biggest mistake I see people make is giving up on homeownership because they think they need 20% down. That's just not true anymore. As a matter of fact, it hasn't been true for like 20 years. There's so many ways to get into a home, but you need someone who knows how to navigate them all. From my heart to yours, don't let a lack of down payment stop you from building wealth through homeownership. Book a free consultation with me using the link below. We'll look at your specific situation and figure out which of these options could work for you. Now that you know the truth about down payment options, If you found this information helpful, now you can like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.